Justin Reynolds, Fat Neck Outfitters. Today we're gonna try to kill a couple gobblers. So we got Blake Reynolds, Damon Reynolds, and myself, Justin Reynolds. We're gonna do it Reynolds style. Weather's not really being cooperative, but we know them birds gotta move, so we're gonna give it our best shot anyway. But anyway, we're trying out a new farm. Went and looked yesterday, got soaking wet. Been pouring down rain all night. Actually had a little break in the weather, so we're gonna get out here and see what's going on. Stick around. Alright guys, Justin Reynolds, Blake Reynolds, Fat Neck Outfitters. Got Damon Reynolds behind the camera. We don't know how this is gonna turn out, Damon behind the camera, but we'll see. We gotta give him a little free space, so we'll see how he does. Hopefully he don't disappoint us. But right now we're listening for a bird. The wind's picked up a lot. Really cold. It's probably 40 degrees. It's been storming all night, so hopefully we'll get a break. See if we can locate one of these toms. So, Blake, you ready?
First turkey, never killed one. It's gonna happen today. Let's do it.
Alright guys, we've located a bird. He's pretty hot. He's answering us every time we yelp at him. He's over this ridge, I don't know, probably 750 yards or so. He's answered us 5 or 6 times, so we're going to cross this ridge and try to set up on this tom. Shoot him again, Blake. Shoot him. Shoot him in the head. Alright guys. Fat Neck Outfitters, Western Kentucky. First day actually killing turkey, or hunting turkey. Last weekend we was with Chad and Dana from Wallhanger TV. They're in town too, so boy, we got some bragging rights to do. Blake, tell us a little bit. It's your first time, man.
Dude, this was intense. Never killed a turkey before. I wasn't real sure how this was gonna go, but he walked right up to us. We were trying to
get situated on the field. He came a little quicker than we thought. Bug walked right up to us. I don't know if this is a big one or not, but it was sure intense.
Tom, probably a bird. About a 9-inch beard on it.
I'm excited though, that was intense. I had to shoot him twice. That dude started running after I shot him. Dudes are tough, man.
What's up? I'm Justin Reynolds.
And I'm Blake Reynolds.
Fat Neck Outfitters. We got Damon Reynolds behind the camera. First time behind the camera, but he didn't do too bad. But I'm gonna let Blake do most of the talking. This is his bird. No, I don't believe I can do the story much justice. Blake, tell us about the hunt.
Justin called me yesterday. He didn't locate any birds last night. It started storming on him. Rained all night. Even at 4 o'clock this morning, it was pouring down rain. 5 o'clock, the rain stopped. We decided to come out here. Didn't know what today was going to look like. We got out here trying to locate birds. Nothing was talking to us. So about 1,500 yards from where we're at now, Justin finally got a bird to talk back to him. So we walked about 150 more yards, and that bird met us right there on the edge of that, field you see in the video, and about 80 yards out. So we didn't have long. It was coming right at us, and it was intense. My first bird. I'm excited. I believe I'm hooked.
Like you said, we didn't have a whole lot of time to get situated. You know, the video's kind of iffy in spots, but needless to say, we got a bird. Put Blake on his first tom. Anyway, we actually was calling on the way back, and we jumped a big tom. Come up to us, wasn't goblins. Keep that in mind when you're out there turkey hunting. If you don't hear a gobble at first, that don't mean they ain't coming. So hang in there. Check us out at.
You can find us on Facebook at Fat Neck Outfitters or Twitter at Effin' Outfitters. They wouldn't let us get the full name in there, so we got Effin' Outfitters at Twitter. So it's going to be a good time. Check it out. We're going to post this video and mini pics. Tell us what you think about our page, and we got a website coming soon, so stay tuned.